In today's video, I'll show you how to add time slots in Acuity Scheduling step by step. If you want clients to book appointments during specific hours or create a more organized schedule, setting up time slots is essential. First, log into your Acuity Scheduling account and go to your dashboard. Once you're inside, open the Availability section from the left side menu. This is where you control your working hours and appointment times. Now choose the calendar or staff member you want to edit if you manage multiple schedules. Next, set your available working days, such as Monday through Friday or any custom schedule you prefer. After selecting your days, start adding time ranges. For example, you can make yourself available from 9 a.m. to 12 p.m. and then again from 2 p.m. to 6 p.m. These available periods automatically create bookable time slots for clients based on your appointment duration settings. If you want shorter or longer booking intervals, go to your appointment type settings and adjust the session duration. For example, 30-minute appointments will create 30-minute time slots. You can also add buffer time between appointments if you need breaks or preparation time before the next booking. Once everything is configured, save your availability settings. Now visit your booking page preview to check how the available time slots appear to clients. Make sure the schedule looks correct and the booking times are displayed properly on both desktop and mobile devices. If needed, you can always return later to edit, remove, or add new time slots depending on your schedule changes. And that's it. You've successfully added time slots in Acuity Scheduling and organized your appointment availability. And that's how you add time slots in Acuity Scheduling. Share this video and subscribe for more helpful tutorials.